On today's menu, a delicious soup that will beat Chinese takeout any day. Vegan hot sour soup.
Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Once I teach you how to make hot sour soup, you'll never want to do Chinese takeout again.
Ginger. Garlic. Slice your extra firm tofu into strips.
These are incredible shiitake mushrooms, black fungus, and lilies that I rehydrated in 8 cups of water overnight. Now don't discard that water because we're going to be reusing that in the soup.
Carefully remove the stalks from the shiitakes and slice thinly. Black fungus, slice thinly. Stock pot, medium-high heat. Olive oil. Garlic and ginger. Saute until browned. Reserved mushroom water. Two teaspoons chili powder or white pepper powder. 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. 4 tablespoons soy sauce. Stir. Rehydrated mushrooms and lilies. Bamboo shoots. Combine 3 tablespoons of potato starch with 3 tablespoons of water to create a slurry. Slowly pour the slurry into the soup while stirring. Tofu. Plate. You can now make this delicious Chinese soup with absolute confidence.
The soup is so easy to make, there really is no excuse not to make this. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Once I teach you how to Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Once I teach you how to make sweet sour, hot sour.